Hello everyone, the main aim of this video is to communicate with like-minded people so that all of us who's going through the same phase or facing the same issues can feel that you're not alone in this journey. There is someone out there who's going through the same phase as you are, so we can talk it out, communicate and make each other feel better. The recent suicides have really shaken me up, and I've come with an idea that it is best to share your feeling with others, and it's a very big world, and definitely there must be someone out there who's facing the same issues as you are. And what best if you can communicate with such people, share it out, it would be really helpful. So all I want to say that I'm not against marriage, and I have the best supportive parents in the world. But then there is a society out there. There are relatives who just can't see you happy. Now marriage is a choice, and this is a choice which should be exercised by you and only you. Now it really hurts me when my parents are troubled and tortured for the choice which I have made. My father is a heart patient. He's 72 years old, and he's bombarded with questions from my relatives that when are you planning her to get married? When are you planning her to get settled? Now I want to say that marriage is not a settlement. It does not guarantee happiness. Being a lawyer myself, I have seen many divorce cases. I'm not saying that it's a wrong thing. It's definitely many people are very happy enjoying their married life. But at the same time, you can't say that it is a guarantee to happiness. Therefore, if you have made a choice to stay single, it's perfectly fine. There are times and there are people who will make you feel down, who will make you feel that you've made a wrong choice, who will make you feel that you're not a part of this society, you're doing something very different. But believe me, you're not alone in this. If you've decided to stay single, it is perfectly fine. The most important thing in today's world is to stay happy, and whichever choice makes you happy, just go for it. Please don't feel burdened. You are not a burden. You are not alone in this journey. And marriage is not the only thing which makes you complete. You have to be happy. You have to be happy for yourself. You have to be happy for your parents. And if anyone who's facing such issues, going through the same phase, and who's such questions like of your marriage or something like this makes you uncomfortable, makes you hurt at times, then let's talk it out. Do comment below, share your incidents, and it would be great if even one of you seeing this video feels that you are facing something like this. It's really wonderful, so if you could connect. Thank you.